Hello guys, in this video we are going to solve Leetcode first problem, which is 2 sum. What the problem states that given an array of integers and an integer target, what they really say is that they give an array of some values like integers and target values 9, done indices of two numbers such that they add up to the target. What they really say is that when we add this two 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 values which is present in an array like 2 and 7, when we add we get the result output of 9. We got the result out of 9, so we return the indexes of the array elements, which is for 2 which is 0 and for 7 which is 1. Okay, I move on to the next example, which is 2 4 2 3 2 3 2 4 and the target value is 6. When we add 3 and 2, we get the result of 5, which is not the target, actually a target value. So we move on to the 3 and 4, which is 7, which is also a not a target value. Okay, then we move on to the 2 and 4, then we get the target value of 6. So we return the index of the target, which is for 2 the index's value is 1 and for 4 which is index value is 2. And moving on to the third example, nums 3, 3 and the target value is 6. There is only two elements. When we add up to the 3, the the target value is 0, 1. So we are going to solve this problem using Java. For that, simply take the one length element. In what approach I am going to solve this problem is using two for loops. So, and you know, it takes O of n square amount of time to execute this problem, but it is also one of the approach to solve this problem. So I use basically two for loops to solve this problem. For that, I simply declare one for loop which is starting from 0 to n in actually n minus 1 of the array elements, and declare another for loop inside the another for loop is basically j, which is starts from I plus 1 of the elements. Which is also ends in n. So we got into the for loop condition. For loop. So basically we simply add two elements like nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target. We basically return the index of the element. So we basically return an array which is I comma j. What if we didn't find any array elements? So we basically return some array which is 0, 0. Just check if it is runs or not, run or not. Okay, it's basically in a run, got ran. And another condition, if the array element is empty, we also check the condition of in which the array element is also empty. So basically add some one element like nums dot length is equal to 0, return new int 0. What this line really explains is that when the nums like this array of elements is empty, in the situation what we are going to do is like simply return 0, 0 array elements. Okay, let's submit the code like if it is submitting or not. Oh, basically submits. Okay, success. And they also solve this problem using C++. For C++, I I basically declare one vector element, vector array, vector dynamic array on top of the element one, like result output. Okay, why I am declaring vector on the top, because we have to return the vector element. So I have declared the vector element on the top of the function and below of the declaration of the function, and we basically and also length size. Wait. Okay, and for Java and for C++ is also the same algorithm. It runs from n-1. Wait. Wait plus 1 to n can be found like nums of I plus nums of j is equal to target. We simply push the result, push back I and return push back j and return result. When if doesn't found any values, so we simply return select dot push back 0 return result. And also can check the condition if the nums element is 0 or not. If it is 0, then simply return result 0. If it is 0, then simply return result. Man, come on. Let's check if the condition is not working or not. I can simply run this example whether it is actually working or not. Okay, it run for first 3 test cases, and we are going to submit whether it is working or not. Basically submits. Okay, we are going successfully submitted the value. Okay.